myself Alphons Maria, and you're watching Alphons Creative World. Today I have come up with a different recipe, that is Bitter Gourd Fry or Karela Fry. And nowadays it is easily available in the market, and luckily today we got 20 kg of bitter gourd of 5 rupees per kg. The first process is to cut it into thick slices. So let's cut. And the best combination of bitter gourd is green chili. You can fry it together when you will have done this process. Now I will show you how to cut a green chili in long manner or two halves with the Karela. So let's cut. You will have to cut it straight. So let's cut the next one. You will remove it first. And suppose if you have 1 kg of Karela, then you will need at least half kg of green chili with you. And the next process is for boiling. So but you will have to boil this green chili separately. So let's go. Now the water is boiled. Now let's add 2 ingredients, that is turmeric powder. Okay, now we will add the salt into it. 1 spoon salt is needed. Now we will stir it with this. Now we will add the bitter gourd. And you have to be careful. You should not let it splash over your face. Okay, now I have added it. Now we will have to stir it nicely. And you can see that its color is changing. It's turning into yellow inside color. And you will have to wait till it boils up. Now it is half cooked. Now we will shift into a straining container. Firstly, we will have to strain it like this. We will have to wait till water is gone. And you have to be careful. Now we will put the remaining bitter gourd into this. We will add it full. Now we will keep it in sunlight to get it dry. It will take 2 days to dry it properly. So let's put. Now you will have to spread it nicely. It should be dried very properly, and now let's spread it. Bitter gourd is a rich source of vitamins and minerals. It contains iron, magnesium, zinc, potassium, calcium, vitamins like A and C. Various antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds are present in bitter gourd. It helps in maintaining blood pressure level. It lowers bad cholesterol level, cures hangovers and cleanses the liver, helps in weight loss, boosts your immune system, great for your eyes, add luster and shine to hair. The recipe that I told today are just a glimpse of how interestingly you can make bitter gourd a part of your healthy diet. Bitter gourd is ready and we will fry them. For that I have taken a kadai and will add some oil into it and wait till the oil is hot. And I have divided between dried bitter gourd and dried chili because bitter gourd takes time and chili is faster than bitter gourd. And the oil is hot. Now we will add the dried bitter gourd, and you will have to stir it continuously, and through this process the dried bitter gourd will come back to its original size as it was earlier. And you have to be careful while doing this process. And now it is ready. Now we will shift it. It will be very tasty. Now we will put the dried green chili, and it will be faster than bitter gourd. And now it is ready to serve, and it will be very tasty. Now it is ready to serve. It's very tasty, especially when you will eat it with your rice. Please try it at home and share your comments. Thank you, and this is Alphons.